How to access deleted Twitch VODs. So if you want to access deleted Twitch VODs, then let's see if it's possible or not. So here it says that unfortunately, when your VODs has been deleted by Twitch, they no longer exist on the site. So you can't find it or even rewatch it through the archive. However, you still have a way to make it possible. So if you're lucky enough, you'll be able to find the particular video on YouTube by just typing the right keyword on the search bar, because sometimes your videos might have been reposted on the other platforms such as YouTube. So you can simply go and search for your particular video and you might find your old Twitch streams or your videos. Other than that, you can find many sites that allow users to upload their old Twitch streams. It may be useful enough. However, most of them come with ads and pop-ups, which could be annoying when you try to watch the broadcast. Besides, since they are unofficial, they will probably contain malware that will harm your device. So be careful. And in this way, you'll be able to watch the deleted or expired Twitch streams. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.